Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jack.
Here, we help you learn English naturally through real conversations, stories, and useful expressions.
So if you want to improve your English while having fun, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you never miss an episode.
Exactly. Now, today's topic is something we all love: sleep and rest.
My favorite topic already. I could sleep all day.
I think many people feel that way, Jack. But today, we'll talk about how to discuss sleep and rest in English, from bedtime routines to how to say you're tired, sleepy, or need a nap.
That sounds perfect, Emma. I'm already yawning just thinking about it.
So, Jack, let's start with a simple question. What time do you usually go to bed?
Around midnight, sometimes even later. I often stay up watching videos or checking social media.
That's quite common these days. In English, we can say, I stay up late. I go to bed around midnight. I'm a night owl.
A night owl. That's someone who sleeps late, right?
Exactly. And the opposite is an early bird, someone who wakes up early.
So I'm a night owl, not an early bird. What about you, Emma?
I try to go to bed early, around 10 p.m. I'm definitely an early bird. I love waking up before sunrise.
Wow, that's impressive. I can't even open my eyes before 8 a.m.
Let's also look at how to describe your sleep schedule. You can say, I usually get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I don't get enough sleep. I'm sleep deprived. I had a sleepless night.
Oh, that's a good one. I had a sleepless night. That means I couldn't sleep, right?
Exactly. Maybe because of stress, excitement, or noise. Describing sleep quality. Now, let's talk about how well you sleep. Jack, how do you sleep usually?
I sleep okay, but sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night.
Then you can say, I'm a light sleeper. You wake up easily. I'm a heavy sleeper. You sleep deeply and don't wake up easily.
Oh, I'm definitely a light sleeper. Even a small noise wakes me up.
And if you sleep very well, you can say, I slept like a baby. I had a good night's sleep. I slept soundly.
Nice. So after a long day, I could say, I slept like a baby last night.
Perfect sentence. Talking about being tired or sleepy. Now let's talk about feeling tired.
That's me every morning.
You can say, I'm sleepy. I'm exhausted. I feel drowsy. I need a nap.
What's the difference between sleepy and drowsy?
Good question. Sleepy is more common. It means you feel like sleeping. Drowsy is a bit more formal and can also mean you're slow or not alert.
Got it. And exhausted means very, very tired, right?
Exactly. It's stronger than just tired.
Sometimes when I study late, I feel completely exhausted.
Perfect. And here's another expression. I'm running on fumes. That means you have very little energy left.
Oh, that's a fun one. Like a car almost out of gas?
Exactly. Expressions about sleep. Let's learn some common idioms and phrases related to sleep.
Okay, I love idioms.
Here we go. 1. Hit the hay or hit the sack means to go to bed. I'm really tired. I think I'll hit the sack. 2. Sleep on it means to take time to think about a decision. I'm not sure yet. Let me sleep on it. 3. Catch some Z's means to get some sleep. I need to catch some Z's before my early meeting. 4. Out like a light means you fall asleep very quickly. He was out like a light after the long trip. 5. Burn the midnight oil means to stay up late working or studying. Jack always burns the midnight oil before exams.
That's so true. I always burn the midnight oil, and then I'm sleepy all day.
You need to find balance, Jack. talking about rest and relaxation. Sleep is important, but rest is also necessary. You can rest without sleeping.
So, like lying down, watching TV, or just closing your eyes for a bit?
Exactly. You can say, I'm taking a break. I just need to rest for a while. I want to relax and recharge. I'm chilling out.
I love that. Relax and recharge. Sounds like charging your phone.
Yes. People often say that when they need to refresh their mind and body.
So, if I had a busy week, I can say I'm planning to relax and recharge this weekend.
Talking
Perfect
about
example.
morning routines. Let's move to what happens after you wake up.
Oh, mornings. My worst enemy.
You can say things like, I usually hit the snooze button. I get up right away. I can't get out of bed. I need a strong cup of coffee to wake up.
I always hit the snooze button at least twice.
That's very relatable. And for evening routines, you can say, I take a shower before bed. I read a book to help me fall asleep. I scroll through my phone until I fall asleep.
That's exactly me. Scrolling till I can't keep my eyes open.
Then you can say, I fell asleep with my phone in my hand.
Practice dialogue. Let's do a short example conversation about sleep and rest.
Okay?
Hey, Jack, you look tired. Didn't you sleep well last night?
Not really. I stayed up late watching a movie.
Oh no, you need to get enough rest.
I know. I'll try to hit the sack early tonight.
Good idea. A good night's sleep can make a big difference.
Vocabulary review. Let's quickly review what we learned today. Night owl or early bird. Sleep deprived or sleepless night. Light sleeper or heavy sleeper. I slept like a baby. I'm exhausted. I need a nap. Hit the hay or burn the midnight oil. Relax and recharge.
That's a lot of useful stuff.
Task for listeners. Now it's your turn, dear listeners.
In the comments, tell us, what time do you usually go to bed? Are you a night owl or an early bird?
We'd love to read your answers. And remember, good sleep is not just rest for your body, but peace for your mind.
If you enjoyed this episode, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart English Talk.
And share it with your friends who also want to improve their English, maybe before they hit the hay.
Exactly. Thank you for listening, everyone. Sweet dreams, and see you in the next episode.